In this video, we're diving into how to use Oyster's global workforce management tools to streamline your global hiring, management, and payroll processes. If you're looking to expand your business globally or hire a remote team, Oyster provides a powerful suite of tools that can help. Make sure to stick around because we'll not only cover key features, but I'll also show you how to get started using Oyster for completely free with exclusive bonuses all through the first link below. Stay tuned till the end to learn how to unlock an extended free trial. Let's kick things off with an overview. Oyster allows businesses to hire and manage employees anywhere in the world without worrying about local employment laws, taxes, or compliance. Whether you're managing a small remote team or scaling globally, Oyster makes the process seamless. It provides all the tools you need to onboard new hires, process payroll, and ensure compliance with international labor laws, all in one place. To get started, after signing up, you'll be prompted to create a company profile. This profile allows you to set up your global team by selecting the countries in which you want to hire. Oyster has over 180 countries covered, meaning you can hire talent from virtually anywhere. You'll also input your company's tax details, employment policies, and any other necessary info to help Oyster tailor their services to your needs. Once your profile is set up, you can begin adding employees. The interface is simple and intuitive, allowing you to select from different types of contracts depending on your location and employee needs. Whether it's full-time, part-time, or temporary, Oyster helps you manage all contract types, ensuring you're compliant with local regulations. When it comes to payroll, Oyster's global payroll tool is a standout feature. You can pay your employees in their local currencies at the correct time, with taxes and benefits automatically calculated for you. Oyster also handles all the paperwork related to salaries, including tax filings, making it a great option for anyone who doesn't want to deal with international payroll headaches. For employee benefits, Oyster offers a comprehensive benefits platform. This allows you to choose region-specific benefits for your employees. So, if you're hiring in Europe, North America, or Asia, you can tailor benefits to the specific needs and laws of the region. The tool also makes it easy to set up vacation days, health insurance, and other perks, ensuring that your global team feels supported. Another essential feature is compliance management. Oyster ensures that you stay on top of ever-changing laws in different countries. With automatic updates to legal changes, you can avoid costly mistakes when hiring in countries with complex labor laws. This feature takes the guesswork out of international hiring, so you can focus on growing your business instead of dealing with legal paperwork. The Oyster dashboard is where all your data is aggregated, providing an overview of your global workforce. This central hub makes it easy to manage employees, track payroll, and monitor compliance across various countries. It's incredibly user-friendly, and you don't need a degree in international law to navigate it. You can also generate reports directly from the dashboard, helping you make data-driven decisions and keep track of employee performance. Now, to wrap things up, don't forget that you can access Oyster's global workforce management tools for free with the exclusive link below. With this free trial, you can explore all the tools and resources Oyster has to offer risk-free. Plus, you'll get access to an extended trial period, which is not available to everyone else. So, make sure to click that link in the description to get started today. Oyster is a game changer for businesses looking to hire and manage remote teams across the globe. It simplifies compliance, payroll, and benefits management so you can focus on building your business. With the right tools at your fingertips, managing a global workforce has never been easier. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out the link below to get your exclusive trial.